I gotta hide every pair of exclusive Adidas or something, man. It's like I'm addicted to them or something, you dig? I think I'm Run DMC. Twister. My Adidas and my adidas. And my adidas.
At this one Adidas event right now called Factory 55, and like it's really cool. It's like it's in Brooklyn, and it's like they got all this creative like workshop. It's like a creative workshop thing, and I don't really know how to describe it. It's just like a one of a kind type of thing, but it's actually pretty dope. And I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here. I got a custom shirt. Y'all gonna see that later, but yeah. So as you can see, like they got all this artwork, and then they have gym workout beyond the streets. I actually signed up for this, but I didn't pull up because like I had to figure out how to get here through train and bus, all that. See, they got all this, all these paintings and artwork, and they got it like portrait right there. No, basically this is advertising whatchamacallit, a shoe. And the shoe is the POD, the point of deflection system. Or POD, yeah. And they got, look, they're showing this on a board. That's Nick Galloway. My man's got one of the biggest designers at Adidas, executives, I think. They got all this cool stuff. You see Factory 55 right there. And I'm about to show y'all the shoes. Got mannequins. Got the little boost thing. So it's all these components built to build this shoe right here. Got all this prints on the wall, like designer sketches and stuff. That's the woman's version. This is men's, I think. That's male too. And it says Cabal. That's like the merch I draw. Merch kind of pricey though. And then they also got like this motto, like better together. It's like better alone, greater together, or something like that. I don't really know. It's a line to where you can customize your own merch. It's closed right now because like I kind of finished. But yeah, they got all this stuff. Joe Fresh Goods, all this stuff. Ooh. Yeah, here's the motto. It says great alone, better together. They got all these seats. And that's like the little customization, like little tag thingy. And then, like this is like the little merch pop-up shop. And this is right there, merch customization. But yeah, this little quick thing. I think this is day 2 of the event. I'm about to dip though, and the boy is out. Peace. And like you can see this like the little building that they have. They got the whole lineup. And they got all this. There's actually like a nice painting that I'm probably gonna try to take a picture by tomorrow. And like it showed you like where the location was. See, Factory 55. It's in Brooklyn, y'all. And they're playing music. Oh, it's crazy. Like right around the corner, there's like a Puma ad or like a Puma shoe that like people are hyping up. I guess it's kind of comfortable. I don't know. It's probably not better than Boost though. Man, that is one dope mural. I just need to get that shoe now. What's up, y'all? It's Adidas Kid. I don't know if y'all can hear me real well, but look at this dope book about the pods, like the pre-OG. That's the name of the shoe. See, it's a nice little book about the shoe. I'm not gonna read it to y'all, but like y'all can see like the history That's not even English. This is how old. This is like an archival book right here. It's so dope. PODS. That stands for point of deflection system. Fast forward a little bit. There you see previous like design sketches and stuff. All of these sketches. Look at that. So basically, some of these could have been prototypes, but we'll never know. And look, they say a boost heel. We use boost, our leading technology for energy return and comfort on the podular heel element. During lifestyle usage, the heel is the area where your foot has the first ground contact. This is called the heel stride. This means you get the full boost sensation at the most important part of the stride. So like, right there, point of flexion. This is showing you a shoe from 1995 and then a shoe from 2018. There's the difference. Y'all can see 1995 to 2018. So like, this is why I kind of don't like when some people might say like, for example, oh, the NMD looks like a Roshi, or they might say Yeezys look like a Roshi when like they spend like maybe 2 years at least working on a product, and for you to just compare it to something else when like this shoe is based off of a 1995 shoe. So probably design process back then like 1994, maybe 1993. So I'm not gonna do the math, but like, you can't compare this to any modern day shoe when the shoe's in archive. You know what I mean? But like, yeah, just showing y'all some like cool stuff that they have at the event. There's more books and stuff. And there's like this display. That's Nick Galloway. That man, I need to meet him. And that's her. I don't know who she is, but Nick Galloway, a legend. But she's not really a legend too. And it's all like this cool vibe. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Alright, what's good, y'all? We got Factory 55 with the customizer. That's where they're like pressing right there. Right now,
I got it. We'll bring it to you to the back. Okay. So yeah.
oh, they got a blackout? I'm on to check.
Minus blackout.
Yo, what's good? I'm with the homie CJ. We got Fiji in the back. We got Khaleesi's. We got Search and then. Hey, we all throwing threes up.
I remember being broken down bad. Now I pay nothing for my sneakers cause I'm Nav. He can't get a feature so he mad. I ain't nothing like these rappers, they won't last. I don't want